Sir, which objects expands?
Sir, an action which causes a subject to increase its size is called expansion.
Good. What is contraction? What is contraction?
The action which causes a subject to reduce its size like length and breadth, etc.
Reducing means decreasing, right? What is the meaning of reduce?
Sir. Decrease.
Very good. The process of heating, it results in different changes in different subjects. By heating, if you take iron like metal, iron, what will happen to iron? When you heat the iron, what will happen to it?
It will decrease in size.
By heating, will iron decrease in size?
No, sir, it increases. It expands.
Expands. Right?
Expand.
Okay. What about water?
Decreases. Decreases.
Water boils.
Water will
Sir, water will be boiled.
Boils. By boiling, what will happen?
Evaporate.
Okay, evaporation of water.
evaporate.
Okay, evaporation.
Decrease.
Evaporation. So, by heating, what will happen? Boils, evaporation, and quantity decreases. Right?
Yes, sir.
The quantity of water decreases. Okay. Next, if you take a candle, by heating, okay, what will happen?
Expands.
It will burn.
Expands.
No, it will burn, then melts, right? Okay. If wick is there, wick
Sir,
is
it
there.
burns.
If candle has wick,
It burns.
if candle has wick, what will happen? This molten wax is utilized, and finally what will happen? The entire candle, by the time of complete burning of this wick, it will disappear. Okay, right? By heating, if you take ice, what will happen to ice? By heating, what will
Melt.
it will melt. It will melt and
sir.
converts into
It
water.
is reversible change.
Converts into water.
Reversible change. Converts into water.
Right? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
coming to
Sir, your video is gone, sir.
video gone. Oh.
Your video is
Yeah, don't worry. I will start my video once again. Okay. It came now?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, this is right in the notebook, sir.
Yeah, you have to write in the notebook. If you don't write in the notebook, afterwards, whatever the PDF that I send to you, you have to write that. Okay?
Sir,
Ah,
sir, science exam will be in MCQ type, no, sir?
100% MCQ. Okay, I will tell the pattern also now. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So, by heating, what happens to different materials, we have understood. Okay, many other things also are there. For example, if you take incense stick, what is incense stick? Agarbatti. Okay, what will happen? Incense stick, it will burn and release some.
Burn, sir.
It will burn and release gases and ashes.
It will burn and release the
Okay.
Sir, it will burn, release the smoke.
Release
Sir, and camphor.
gases. Yeah,
Sir,
camphor.
and camphor.
Yeah, camphor also. Okay. They burn, release gases, and finally ash. Right? Camphor, it won't give even ash also, but incense stick it will give ash. Okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you noted down all these things? Have you noted down?
No, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Take your time. I'll give some
Sir.
2 minutes time.
Yes, sir.
No problem, Ishan. If you don't have current in your apartment, later on you can watch the video from YouTube. Okay?
Sir, you tell us that in first class, don't note, I will send the PDF. Then we note, sir.
I did not understand what you said. Your voice was breaking.
No, sir, in this chapter. Sir, can you understand, sir?
In this chapter?
Sir, can you hear me, sir? Sir, in this chapter only, in first class, you said that don't write it. I will send the PDF of
No,
this
I
chapter.
never have told like that. If you cannot write from the direct class, you no need to worry.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Whatever the PDF that I send,
sir.
you can write it from that. Okay? If you
Okay,
are
sir.
able to
But
write
I don't-
directly from
Why
the
you
class.
writing the word that is cannot read the.
Okay. Now coming to heating, what it is.
Can you tell them? Write the classwork notes, sir. This is one you writing, sir.
Yeah, you can write in your classwork now. Okay. Upon cooling, cooling means now when you heat by flame or by burning something, whatever the changes that are taking place in different materials, you understood. Now let us try to understand upon cooling. You are given a hot iron rod. Hot iron rod.
It will contract.
Okay. By sprinkling water on it, what will happen? It will contract.
It will expand.
Okay, it will
Contract.
Okay. Right? Next. If you take water vapor. Water vapor.
Sir, it will become again
Water again.
So it will get condensed. Condensation takes place. Condensation takes place.
Condensation process, sir.
Condensation occur and liquid water is formed. And if you take molten wax of candle, upon cooling, what will happen? It will become solid, right? Solid wax is formed. Solid wax is formed, right? Even here also power has gone, right? Don't worry, I will arrange.
Sir, God is not clear, sir.
Yeah,
God
yeah.
is not clear, sir.
Don't worry, power has
Yes,
gone.
sir.
I will just arrange some light. Wait.
It's clear, sir. No problem. Yes, sir.
Yes,
we can
sir.
understand with crystal clear.
Yes, sir.
Hope it is clear now.
It is. Yes, sir. It is very clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It is very clear.
Okay.
But it was clear before this also, sir. You take.
Try to adjust little bit. Okay. if you take this one, burning incense stick. You take burning incense stick. Upon cooling, what will happen to it? It will just
Cool down.
Stop burning, sir.
yes, it will stop
Yes,
burning.
sir.
Okay, it stops
It will
burning.
not burn again.
Right? Okay. So likewise, these changes will take place. And by mixing also some changes will result in. Can you tell some examples? By
Sir,
mixing
please
also.
tell loudly.
Mixing milk and water.
Okay. And some of the mixing changes can be reversed. Some of the mixing changes cannot be reversed. For example,
Yes, sir,
If
like
you-
mixing up.
if you add salt to the water, it will become salt water. Okay. If you heat it, the water evaporates and salt, you will get it back. Right? So, salt plus water mixing is a reversible change. In the same way, sugar plus water mixing is a reversible change. Salt plus water, this mixing is a reversible change. It is a reversible change. And salt plus, sorry, not salt, sugar plus water mixing, it is also a reversible change. Reversible. What about curd and milk? When you mix these things,
No, sir, it can't be reversible,
But they
sir.
are
It is-
irreversible.
irreversible change. Right? So like this, the changes takes place. Okay, with this lesson is almost completed. Now let us look into keywords. The first keyword is changes. What are changes? The resulted differences. The resulted differences in a subject or object or in a property due to some externally applied pressures or factors. Okay. What is the definition of change? The resulted difference in a subject or object or in a property of a given subject. Okay. Changes. What are changes? The resulted differences. The resulted differences in a given subject or object. Okay. In a given subject or object. Okay. The resulted difference in a given subject or object. How the changes takes place in a given subject or object? Due to some external or internal pressures or forces or factors. Okay. The resulted differences in a given subject or object due to some
Internal and external forces.
internal or external forces or pressures or factors, right? So these are changes. So this is definition of the word changes. Contraction, already I told you in the last class only. What is contraction? The action that results in the decrease in the size of a given subject, right? Evaporation, what is evaporation? Conversion of water into its vapor from the surface of water, from the surface of a given water body, right? What is evaporation? Conversion of water in its vapor form from the surface of a given water body. Evaporation. So evaporation always results in from the surface of the given water body. Remember that one, right? Conversion of water into
its water vapor.
its vapor form from the surface of a given water body. Water body means lake, river, ocean, even a tank, canal, anything. Okay, right. Expansion means already yesterday I told. What is expansion? The
It
action,
can be a glass of water also.
the action that results in
Depends on heating when get increase in size.
the action that results in the increase in the size of a given subject or object. Melting. What is melting? What is melting? The process of conversion of a solid into its liquid form. Okay, right, is known as melting. Melting. The process of conversion of a solid into its liquid form is known as melting. Melting generally occurs when the temperature is increased. Okay, melting generally occurs when the temperature is increased. Condensation generally occurs when the temperature is what? Are you listening? Students? Melting generally occurs when the temperature of a given solid subject is increased. Okay, right? And condensation generally occurs when the temperature is what? When the temperature is decreased. Are you getting it? Okay, right? Good. So this is about the keywords, and coming to the exercises. To walk through a waterlogged area. Waterlogged means in a given area water was accumulated due to some rain. Okay, for example, there is a ditch. Okay, so here due to some rain water got settled. So this is water logged area, right? This is a waterlogged area. So to walk through a waterlogged area, you usually shorten the length of your dress by folding it. So you started going here. Okay. started going here and you are having the pants, right? So this is too much deeper, so we have to just make it little smaller so that you can understand easily. So this is the road which you are going, right? And going like this. Okay. Now what happens here? You have seen waterlogged area, this area. In order to not to allow your pants to get wet, what will you do? You will shorten the length of your dress by folding it. So you have just folded your pant up to here. Okay. You have folded your pant up to here. Now legs are seen. Your legs are very thin. They are seen outside. You have shortened the length of the pant. Okay, by folding it. Can this change be reversed? Can you reverse this change?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
After crossing this area, you can change this. Yeah. So what will be your answer? Yes.
Yes.
This change can be reversed. Okay. Second question. You accidentally dropped your favorite toy and broke it. Okay. You accidentally dropped your favorite toy and it got broken. This is a change you did not want. Can this change be reversed? Your toy was broken. Can you fix it back?
No, sir.
You may fix it back, but not exactly in the same. Exactly, it may not look the same like the previous one, right? Okay. So it cannot be reversed. Some changes are listed in the following table. For each change, write in the blank column whether it can be reversed or not. The sawing of a piece of wood. A piece of wood was given to you. Sawing means using a saw. Saw means you know, na? What is saw? What is saw? This is saw. Using this saw, you can cut it. Right? That is the process. That process is known as sawing. So, sawing of a piece of wood, is it reversed? Can it be reversed? No. Okay. The melting of ice candy. Melting of ice candy, can it be reversed? Yes. When you cool it, again it will be becoming solid. Okay.
Yes, sir.
3. Dissolving sugar in water, can it be reversed? Yes. By heating, water can be evaporated and you will get back your sugar.
Yes, sir. It is reversible.
Cooking of food, can you reverse it? No.
No, sir. No,
Yeah.
no reversible change.
The ripening of mango.
It's irreversible.
Okay, a mango was earlier raw. Now it got ripened. Can you reverse it?
No, sir.
No.
Irreversible change. Reversible.
Yes.
It is irreversible, sir.
Irreversible. Good. Soaring of milk. Soaring of milk. Can you reverse it?
No, sir.
No.
sir.
Once milk got soared, that's it.
Time it will soar means we can't change into milk, sir.
Okay, right. Next. Fourth question. A drawing sheet changes when you draw a picture on it. Can you reverse this change?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you use only pencil, you can reverse it. But if you use colors, can you reverse it? No. Okay. Okay. Fifth question. Give examples to explain the difference between changes that can or cannot be reversed. So from page number 48, Okay, you can give the examples, note them down. Okay, right. Sixth question. A thick
Okay, sir.
coating of a paste of plaster of Paris. A thick coating of a paste of plaster of Paris is applied over the bandage on a fractured bone. You might have seen. Okay, when a
Yes,
person
sir.
has got
Sir.
fracture plaster with plaster of Paris, with plaster of Paris. So assume that a person got wounded and his bone got damaged. Leg bone has got damaged. So with a thick paste of plaster of Paris, they just make a bandage, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
It becomes hard and drying.
POP, sir.
This POP, it will become hard upon drying, right?
Yes, sir.
Why? To keep the fractured bone immobilized. If it becomes hard, the fractured bone will not move, so that inside it will get settled. Okay. Can the change in POP be reversed? Can you make again this as a paste? POP cannot be made back into paste. It can only be broken into powder. It cannot be made again back into paste. It is irreversible change. Okay. Seventh one. A bag of cement lying in the open gets wet due to rain during the night. The next day, the sun shines brightly. Do you think the changes which have occurred in the cement could be reversed? The cement, if water is applied, it will become hard like a POP. It will not turn back into again powdered cement. Okay, so it is irreversible change. So these are the answers for your exercises and keywords. Please write them down in your notes. Okay, now I will explain
Okay, sir.
what will be the model of your periodic test question paper. Okay, shall I explain? Right? There are totally
Yes, sir.
your periodic test. Periodic test. It is conducted for 50 marks. How many marks? 50 marks. The entire test is conducted in multiple choice questions only. Multiple choice questions only. Multiple choice questions only. Right? And you need to write the answers as A, B, C, like this. You should not, this is the correct method. Okay. This is the wrong method. Got my point? You have to write only this way. You should not write by writing option, then whatever there that in the option you should not write. Okay? That is unnecessary headache for you as well as for me. Right? Write the question number and write the correct option letter. That's it. Okay. Coming to the pattern of question paper. All questions are multiple choice. All are multiple choice questions only. I have divided your question paper into 3 sections. I have divided your question paper into 3 sections. Section 1. Section 1, 20 questions are there. 20 questions. And each question carries 1 mark. So 20 into 1. So how many marks? 20 marks.
20 marks.
Okay. Section 2. Section 2. Here, $18 marks. So how many questions should I give?
9.
Huh?
9. 9.
9 questions. Right? Right? But
Okay,
you
sir.
have to get totally how many marks?
38.
50.
Class 12. Okay, sir.
Okay. So last
Okay,
question.
sir.
3. We are having 2, 3, 4 questions. Right? Totally how many?
8.
These are the total number of questions. Okay.
Portion. Chapters are coming, sir.
First chapter to 5th chapter only. Okay.
Okay,
First
sir.
chapter to 5th chapter only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma. So this is the